Looking to change your Facebook page name on iPhone or Android? 3 years ago, we made a video on this, but the process has since changed. So, we have made this video with the updated steps. Let's walk through the process. First, open up your Facebook and tap on your profile icon. Tap the settings icon or scroll down slightly and select Settings and Privacy. Choose Settings. Scroll down a little bit and tap on Page Setup. Select Name. Enter your desired page name and confirm the changes. After submitting your new page name, it may take 3 days for update. And remind it you won't be able to update it again for 60 days. So choose carefully. The process is exactly same for Android device. If any update will available in future on this topic, we must make a video on that. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.